Alright guys, back to the shop, ITM 4x4. We got G's Trooper 2, 1989. This is the one that we rescued out of the bush. If you watched the previous video, then you saw the fur coat that it had. We pulled it out of the back 40. It was sitting under some trees just getting covered in sap and all sorts of furry crap. Some of the paint that somebody has done previously has started to fail quite a bit, so the paint job's not so skookum. But it is holding, and other than little cancer in the rocker panels, it's a pretty solid truck. It needs some things, you know, some brake calipers and shoes, and it needs some shock absorbers, and it needs a tune-up and some new fluids. But we literally threw $10 worth of gas in it after I tuned it up, set the valve timing, got the ignition timing, did the compression check, and I just took this thing for a drive. It's kicking ass. So a little bit of a cleanup, and she rocks on. We've totally rescued this baby, and it's got 340,000 kilometers on it. Has previously had some pretty shoddy fiberglass work and paint work, but it definitely got attention. And somebody's just taken these Toyota 6-bolt aluminum mags and bolted them right on. G picked up the 3 Troopers, if you watch those videos where I got attacked by the frickin' wild turkey. We got the 3 Troopers as a group purchase, and he's got oodles and oodles of spare parts. Speaking of which, you know, if you need any spare parts, shoot me an email. I got transmissions and engine parts and body parts and brake parts and heater cores and fenders and all sorts of goodies. Anyways, after a little test drive with this puppy, I am happy. Good old Trooper lives up to its name. 1989. I think it'll be 30 years old next year. I'll take some of these things to an antique truck show or something. Keep the rubber side down, fellas.